Hey guys, welcome to SSP Parts. Today we're going to be changing the driver's side sun visor for 2010 Forester. So we're going to start with these two bolts right here. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver for this. You're going to take these screws out. Alright. I'm going to pop it right out and the sun visor is off. Now we're going to go to SSP Parts and we're going to grab a new one. Okay, now that we went to SSP Parts and we got a new sun visor, we're going to put it in. Alright, it'll make your life a lot easier if you put this in first, because then it'll just hold it by itself. I'm going to place it right here. Grab your two screws that you put in a convenient spot. The one, so you're going to want to put it in about 75%, and then you could tighten it all the way. Now that we tighten it all the way, we have a fully functioning brand new sun visor for 2010 Forester. This is the driver's side. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment on other videos we should do and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.